because it's open freedom for many people. It gives freedom to many people and prefers life for many people.
When I learn something new, it is light for me now. When I was shy, I had a lot of doing. And when I started theater, I made that doing. I was acting and directing. It was so good for me. I spent a lot of time there and I found life there.
Sometimes we need to go out, sometimes we need to ride, sometimes we need to listen to good music, sometimes we don't know. Optimistic, yes. Optimistic. Just positive thinking, how we can build better. The life is very short. Okay? We are the same. When another people be happy, and all people be happy.
Do it. Every human can do it and has the amount of time in your life.
Looking at the green trees, green leaves, oh, there is peace there.
Seaside. I love going to the seaside. If I have money, I like going to the seaside with friends. When I go to the seaside, I feel good.